Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with GitLab OAuth for authenticated CI dashboard UI step by step clearly. To authenticate with GitLab OAuth for an authenticated CI dashboard UI, start by creating a GitLab application. Log into your GitLab account and navigate to the user settings. In the settings menu, find and click on the applications option. Fill in the application name and the redirect URI that points to your CI dashboard. Select the necessary scopes for your application, such as API and read_user. Click the Save Application button to create your new application. Next, take note of the application ID and secret provided by GitLab. Move on to your CI dashboard codebase to implement the OAuth flow. Install the necessary libraries for handling OAuth in your preferred programming language. In your dashboard, create an endpoint to initiate the OAuth flow. Redirect users to the GitLab authorization URL, including your application ID and the scopes. Once users authorize the application, GitLab will redirect them back to your specified redirect URI along with an authorization code. Capture the authorization code in your dashboard. Use the authorization code to request an access token from GitLab by calling the token URL. Ensure that your request includes the application ID, secret, redirect URI, and the authorization code. Upon successful authentication, you will receive an access token. Store the access token securely in your application for future API calls. You can now make authenticated requests to the GitLab API using the access token. Implement the functionality in your dashboard that utilizes the GitLab API as needed. Test the complete flow by logging in through your CI dashboard. Ensure everything is functioning correctly, with users being authenticated seamlessly through GitLab OAuth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.